Now, 80% of new real estate agents fail in the first year. I know you've heard that stat before, but here's what nobody tells you. You see, success in real estate isn't about talent. It's about avoiding avoidable mistakes. Now, today, I'm handing you the cheat code. Let's talk about the 15 mistakes most realtors make and how you can flip the script in 2025. Mistake number one is not prioritizing your prospecting. You intend to prospect, but your calendar says otherwise. I mean, you fit it in, right? If there's time. Nope. Prospecting isn't a task, it's your lifeline. You got to block it, guard it, and do it daily. Mistake number two is avoiding discomfort, making those calls, door knocking if that's your thing. Reels. If those scare you, good. I mean, that fear right there, that's your next breakthrough in disguise. I was once told that everything you want is on the other side of fear. Mistake three, overcomplicating the basics. Guilty as charged. You think being smart means reinventing systems, but success comes from doing the simple stuff longer than anyone else. Mistake number four, ghosting your CRM, or even worse, not even using one, right? I mean, if your CRM is outdated, your pipeline's invisible. Update notes, log your calls, nurture relationships. I mean, you're not just building a list, you're building a legacy. Mistake number five, dismissing open houses. I mean, you think they don't work. Wrong. You just haven't worked them right. They only don't work because you don't have a process to convert people when they walk in the door. And saying, hi, what brings you out today is not the answer. Practice what you'll say when people come in and watch your conversion increase. Let's get real. I mean, you close a deal, right? So you go out and you celebrate, you buy that new Louis Vuitton or that Gucci item. But when that next commission gap hits, I mean, you're stressed out, you're unprepared. That's a money mistake. You got to open separate accounts for taxes, savings, and your business expenses. Predict the lean seasons before they hit. And here's another one that bites hard. You're killing it on IG until the algorithm ghosts you. Now you're stuck. So what do? You never bet your business on a single lead source. Diversify. Use TikTok, LinkedIn, YouTube, referrals, and even networking. Yes, networking. Next up, we got time blindness. I mean, you were busy all day, but what did you build? I mean, use time blocks to pay you back. You got to audit your calendar like you're a CFO. Are you a tech shy agent? You're not getting replaced by AI, trust me, but you will get outpaced by the agents who use it. Start small. Automate your follow-ups. Use prompts. AI isn't the threat, it's your leverage. Let me ask you this. Whoever built anything of value alone? Lone wolves look cool on a t-shirt until they starve. Collaborate with lenders, title reps, other agents. Yes, other agents. Your network is your net worth. And this one, I'm definitely guilty of as well. You saw a new strategy on TikTok and you bailed on what was working. Finish the fundamentals, then you can innovate. Now, here's the one that almost cost me a deal. A lead couldn't qualify for a traditional mortgage. I shrugged and moved on, right? So what should I have done? Offer a creative financing solution, like a lease option or a seller carry. You got to be the solution, not just shut down things that you're not familiar with. Now, this one's subtle but fatal. You're trying to talk to everyone, but nobody's hearing you. I mean, if you don't niche down, you water down. Choose your lane. First-time buyers, downsizers, investors, speak their language fluently. And this one is, I know this is big all over social media, side hustles. I mean, they sound smart, but what they actually do is divide your energy. Every extra gig is an anchor on your real estate career. If you need other income, earn it inside real estate. Look for referrals, even give referrals, property management, or mentoring. And finally, you've been grinding for months, posting, prospecting, doing showings, and it feels like no one's watching. Trust me, they are. Your clients aren't ghosting you. They're deciding if they trust you to be their guide. Consistency earns trust. Visibility builds momentum. So don't quit too early. And hey, if any of these hit home, hit that like button, drop me a comment, or share with an agent you care about. Because you don't need perfection. What you need is momentum. You don't need a new market. You need a new mindset. Let's make the rest of 2025 the year you finally break through.